Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another episode of 30 Bags in 30 Days. So we're doing 2 days again today. We're doing day number 7, which is 1 extra bedrooms, dressers, and we're going to actually add in closet. And then day number 8 is junk drawers. And the reason I'm doing dresser, closet, and junk drawers is because we are in Alana's room. And Alana has a lot of things. Alana likes to keep her things. She's very sentimental about things. Mom, on the other hand, does not care about things, whether they belong to me or anybody else, and I will throw them away. So I came in her room to gently encourage Alana to declutter, let go of the crap, and get it all out of the house. So if you're new to my channel, hey, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. I am a single mom. I have 2 kids at home. I have 2 kids that don't live at home. I'm a full-time high school teacher. I also homeschool my children full-time. I am into frugal living. I'm an extreme couponer to my friends. To me, I'm a normal couponer. My friends think I'm extreme. I think they have a problem. But I'm glad you stopped by our channel. We are participating in the 30 Bags in 30 Days, being sponsored by Sophia over at My Great Challenge. If you don't know Sophia or you've never seen her videos, please go over and check out her videos. Sophia is one of my favorites. She was actually one of the first cleaning video persons that I found on YouTube when I first started watching YouTube videos. Not when I first started just making videos, because I was not into the cleaning at the very beginning. But I found Sophia's channel, and she's a very funny lady. She's all into the DIYs. I really wish I could make stuff like she has power tools and stuff. I don't power tool anything, but I have much power tool envy. Anyway, go over and check out her channel. You'll love her. She's great. Also, there's going to be a playlist listed in the description box below of everybody that is participating in the challenge. A couple of my favorites, My Everyday Wife Life. Gina Pearson, I think, is doing the 30 Bags in 30 Days. I can't remember right off. I'm going to have to check that. I could be off, but I do know Melody from Transforming Melody is also doing it, and she's another one of my favorites as well. So you guys come along with us as we work on bedroom number 2, the dresser, the closet, and the junk. Oh, there it is.
No, Mom.
You can't use these.
I'm talking about my shorts.
You can't use these.
Oh my! I can
Your
still
feet
fit.
are too small.
What do you mean?
Your feet are too big. You can't. Let's figure out why.
No.
Oh, be careful. I'm careful. Oh,
No.
You don't care about me. You care about the dog.
I'm just saying that they are $30.
You right. My bad.
I only paid for one, but still.
You right.
I don't even know.
Look, it's not falling anymore.
I guess I could wear these.
Look, we fixed it. Huh?
I tried.
Okay, let's go through here.
But Mom,
We're going through.
I just put all those
We're
in
going
there.
through these.
But Mom, we know they all fit.
Calm down, sister. No, we don't know they all fit.
But Mom, we did.
No, we don't.
Mom,
We don't.
those are all the new pairs. Of
Okay,
jeans.
well, we're going to go through them.
And we already tried on some of them.
Well, let's try more. Okay, let's. Oh, my God.
Well, actually, I needed to clean through that drawer anyway.
Let's clean through this drawer right now. This very moment.
I don't know why I never.
What
liked
in the
these.
world?
Okay, Ma, those are all the t-shirts.
Okay, we're going through this stuff. Okay, you guys, it has been indeed a trying time in this room because people don't think they have stuff to throw away. And this is why you have to do 30 bags in 30 days, because they have more stuff than anybody else in this house. And it's because I keep buying the stuff. I am the problem. So anyway, this is what we ended up with. Just really quickly, this is her undies drawer. Then she has a drawer just full of camisoles. She has 3 rows of camisoles, things that go underneath her clothing. Once we go down to these next drawers, in here, this is pajamas, and we have laundry going, so this will be filled up a little bit more. These are leggings and some shorts. This drawer is all full of jeans. And then down here is all t-shirts, and I think 2 or 3 shorts, which we probably could put in that other drawer over there. These are all shorts, so we'll move these out. Let me fix this, because that's going to bother me. There we go. And then, of course, we do have some laundry going, so we'll be able to put more things in the drawers. So she's got a couple pairs of shorts in here, t-shirts, jeans. That's everything in the dresser. And then up here in the closet, we were able to debunk and declutter a lot of the stuff that was up here. We put some of the things down into the storage ottoman. These used to be in the living room. I had 2 of them as a coffee table, but when I went to the swap and shop or the home goods swap, I actually got a coffee table. So I give each of the kids one of the ottomans to keep their things in. The next thing we did was we decluttered all the shoes. We pulled out quite a few shoes out of that shoe rack. She has her taekwondo stuff up in that top rack. And then she's got tennis shoes and sandals here. Over here, I pulled out a lot of things. Just different things that were too small or we didn't love. Some dresses, some shirts. But now she's got, in her words, her fancy pants, which are more of your dress pants here. She's got a few skirts. We even found a few that we had forgotten about. Dryer's just going off, so more laundry. A few that we had forgotten about. Then she has some of her short sleeve shirts, some dresses, and then her winter coats and things. So everything there we have for the closet. This is all cleaned out now. Okay, so this is what we pulled out. And it's a lot of stuff, actually. A lot of tops and things that she's a creature of habit. She wears the same things all the time. So they end up getting real ratty and dirty and dingy looking. And so then we have things that she's never worn or things that she's only worn a couple of times. So with that being said, we're going to go through, and we have one bag over there that we know is trash. Some of these pieces are either going to be donated or they're going into the swap. I'm hosting a swap in a couple of weeks. And so I'm pulling out some of the pieces that I feel like would be good and that people would enjoy or appreciate. We also have a curtain here that she had from when her bedroom got redone a long while back. But this is everything we were able to pull out of the closet. I've got 2 pairs of jeans over there that are definitely going into the swap. And then down here on the floor are all of the shoes and boots and different things that we were able to pull out of her closet. So all of these items will be going to the swap because they're very good. She just doesn't love them. And then we just have a little bit of things to pick up here and another bag of trash. So this was supposed to be days 7 and 8, but because we did so much in here, I'm just going to stop the video here on day 7. Go ahead and edit and upload, and then I will bring you day number 8, which is a junk drawer. I'm going to do the kitchen junk drawers. I'm going to leave her room now, respect her space and her privacy. She did let me come in and do her dresser and her closet, and I was ruthless with her stuff. I generally tend to do that a couple times a year, and really she kind of doesn't give me a problem about it. So what I'm going to do is just leave her room. We're going to get all the stuff picked up, and then I'm going to head into the kitchen and do the kitchen junk drawers. We have 3 drawers. They're really not junky, but I'm sure there's some things in there I can find to toss out. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. If you have a teenager with a lot of stuff, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, we'd love for you to hit that red subscribe button. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Hey, if you haven't jumped in and started your 30 bags in 30 days, we're only on day number 8. You can definitely jump in for day number 9. There will be a link down in the description box to Sophia's blog where she lists all of the days and what she plans to do on those days. She also gives alternatives if for some reason you don't have that particular space in your home. So with that being said, thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and until day number 8, bye now.